guys, welcome to our again videos. Today we are going to cook some rabbit meat, and this time you're not going to cook it in the oven, or we're not going to roast it. We are going to make some wet fry rabbit meat, and as you can see, we've already placed our meat in the sufuria in the pot, and we're already cooking it already. That is the water which is from the meat. Rabbit meat always has a lot of water. So what you do after you slaughter it, you first dry it in the sun or somewhere for a day so that it can pour the water. So we did ours. We stored it we hanged it in the sun for some hours. Then as you can see, that oil, all that oil is from the rabbit meat. It's always very, very oily. So we cooked our meat already. We added our onions and our green, red and yellow bell pepper. As you can see, we've added more vegetables because we wanted some stew in it, because you're going to cook this with pasta, or yes, with pasta or macaroni. We've added our tomatoes. As you can see, our meat almost stuck on the sufuria, but we are good. As you can see now, that is the stew we wanted. We wanted something not so watery, not so dry, so that we can use it to eat our pasta. So that is it for the meat, for the bunny meat. There are so many ways to cook this, so you can choose any. For us, we've done the one for grilling, so we were trying the other method for the wet fry. At this point now, we want to cook our pasta. So we've cooked our onions already. We've added the green, red and yellow bell pepper. We are going to do it with a twist kidogo. We are not going to like boil it. Just going to stir and cook our onions and some few veggies. Then we add our pasta inside there, and then we'll be done. So let's give it some time to cook. As you can see, it's already cooked. You can even add tomatoes if you wish to, as we did there. We've added some tomatoes. You can add spices of your choice. We're going to give that a small stir. Then we let it cook. Let it cook for some time. Then after the tomatoes are cooked, we are going to add our pasta. Our pasta is already boiled. It's already pre-boiled. We boiled it and we washed it. We ran it on cold water so that it do not stick to each other. As you can see, it's very well cooked. It's very well boiled. So we've added it to our sufuria or our pots, and it's already ready. This is the final look. As you can see, we served it with some kachumbari, as we call it in Kenya, and it's a wrap for today, and see you in the next video. Bye.